What's going on, everyone? Chuck here, and I hope that you are having an absolutely awesome day today. In today's video, we are planting some tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths. Exciting. Everything that we do from here on out is preparing our lawns and gardens for the spring. Our fall, which never really showed up, was maybe like a week. But now we're getting into the lower temperatures at night. Tonight it's actually going to be 18 degrees, and for the next 4 nights it's below freezing. But then we creep back up above it into like the upper 30s, low 40s, and the 60s and 50s for highs, somewhere around there. But still, the season is winding down. So whether you're applying your fertilizer or you're planting some bulbs, you're doing it because in the spring you want to have the first lawn to just get that awesome green color. Then you want those early blooming bulbs like tulips that are going to give you some nice vibrant colors in your garden. So everything you're doing now is just preparing for that. I have my auger, and I'm going to plant these bulbs in a few areas around the front. I'm going to actually put some in the flower bed by the mailbox. Around my trees is where I'm going to put quite a few. And then in the backyard, we have a patio area, which you guys haven't really seen much of the backyard other than that little area for the average homeowner, big buck store challenge. But that area over there, it's kind of gross. We don't use it a whole lot other than to grill, but we don't ever sit out there or anything. So if we can clean it up a little bit, plant something with some really nice colors like bulbs, it may just make it a nicer area to just be outside when the temperatures start warming up in the spring. So, enough of me talking. Let's get to putting some bulbs in the dirt. All right. I just got wet. So, I actually have a total of 85 bulbs I'm planting all over the place. I maybe won't even plant all of them, but I'll plant most of them. And just sort of all around. I want to keep a little area here open because I want to add a third bush right about here, I think. So I want a third bush. And yeah, so let's just get to planting. That is it for this video. 85 bulbs doesn't really go as far as you'd think. I thought I'd not have enough, or I thought I'd have too much, and I'd be struggling to find places to put them. I didn't even put any in the backyard. But over 50 went down by the mailbox, and the other bit went in front of the rose bushes you saw. I was going, like I said, I was going to put some around the trees, but because I was already running out, because they don't go as far as you think they would, I figured go ahead and pull up the mums and then use the holes that I put the mums in to put the bulbs in, and then cover all those back up. So we'll see how it comes in the spring. I hope they come in really well. Who knows? Now, as far as winterizer goes, even though we do have for the next 4 nights we're freezing, I'm not ready to throw in the towel just yet, because then we do bump back up into the upper 50s, low 60s after that, with lows in like the upper 30s to 40s. So I'm not, like I said, I'm not quite ready to throw in the towel yet. Probably next week, end of next week, as well. I'll go ahead and put down my winterizer, but I still have, probably the grass could probably use another mow today, so I may do that, but I'll do that off camera just so I can enjoy the mow without having to worry about moving cameras around and all that kind of stuff. So, but yeah, anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Did you do tulip bulbs? Have you done tulip bulbs in the past? Did I completely ruin them? Are they not going to come in because I'm doing it so close to a freeze? Let me know. I don't mind. If you want a dadding all day sticker, send me a message. I'll send you one. No worries. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and God bless.